Undoubtedly, the infamous Chase Ultimate Rewards program is one of the most popular travel rewards programs among points and miles, for a good reason. With many ways to earn Ultimate Rewards points, the program might be the best credit card rewards program currently available, and it should be a top priority for someone who wants to book award flights. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We compile the latest credit card news for you to keep up to date with. Our videos are guaranteed to keep you coming back for more insightful and amazing content. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest videos as soon as they're uploaded. And so without further ado, let's start with today's video. When it comes to redeeming flexible rewards points, Chase Bank's credit card rewards program, which is better known as the Chase Ultimate Rewards, is known as the gold standard by many points collectors and travelers. Also, there are many reasons to love this program with excellent credit card options, powerful points earning opportunities, and valuable transfer partners. Chase Ultimate Rewards points can be more lucrative and versatile than other travel rewards cards. So what are Chase Ultimate Rewards? The famous Chase Ultimate Rewards is a credit card rewards program that allows cardholders to earn points on every purchase. And to earn Ultimate Rewards, you should hold an affiliated Chase credit card. And once you are approved for a Chase card that gets Ultimate Rewards, you'll be entered into the program automatically. The number of points you redeem on purchases depends on which credit card you use and under what category the purchase will code. Each Ultimate Rewards card has a bonus category that will allow you to earn between 2x as well as the 5x points on every dollar spent on the credit card. This makes it flexible, and therefore valuable points can be earned in many ways, but the best redemption option is for travel. Moreover, other redemption options such as merchandise or direct statement credits could result in far less value for your points. Now, with the right combination of Chase cards, you can earn tons of Ultimate Rewards points and have flexible redemption options. There are also many ways to earn Chase points at rates of anywhere from 1 to 10 points on every dollar at a time, depending on the specific credit cards you carry. But how you use them is critical to their actual value toward your travel. The TPG values Ultimate Rewards points at 2 cents each. However, your value can be lower or higher. This depends on how you redeem your points. If regular travel is what's most important to you rather than luxury amenities, you can consider looking for flight deals on websites like Scott's Cheap Flights or even Secret Flying. You can use Google's flight calendar feature to find the cheapest dates to fly if you have a destination in mind. Find a flight you want to book. It's good to know that you can always go directly to the Chase portal whenever you need to book a flight, but you will likely find cheap tickets if you head to a deal site first or if you use a fare calendar tool. Also, you'll need to sign up for a free account on Dollar Flight Club or even on Scott's Cheap Flights. However, on Secret Flying, you can access deals just by putting them in your location. A way to find a cheap travel destination is to use Google Flights Explore tool. With this helpful tool, you can either add in specific dates, which is pretty helpful if you don't have too many options for when you can travel, or you can keep your dates flexible and try to see the lowest prices over the next 6 months. Head to your Chase Ultimate Rewards account. You can log in and select the credit card with the points you want to use. Also, if you have numerous credit cards with points and you may want to transfer them to one card, you can put in the same dates you found on the deal site to replicate the deal. So simply, you can use Google or a deal website to find the cheapest dates to fly, and you can then relocate the same flight to the Chase portal so you can use points to purchase it. Due to dynamic pricing, you might notice a slight difference in the dollar amount. Flight prices constantly fluctuate, so the deal's cost might not be exact. However, finding a flight this way can help you score some unusually cheap fares. Moreover, there are no blackout dates on the Chase portal, so if you can book a flight with cash, you'll be able to pay for that same flight with the points you have racked up. Furthermore, when you use a premium rewards credit card from Chase, you'll get more value out of your points. For instance, the Chase Sapphire Reserve gets you around 50% more value when you earn your points through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. And so, in other words, every point you get is worth 1.5 cents when you travel. You can get started when you earn almost 60,000 points after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. Moreover, you can also earn 10x points on Lyft rides, Chase dining purchases, hotels, as well as cars booked through Ultimate Rewards, a 5x points on air travel booked through Ultimate Rewards, 3x points on travel and dining, as well as 1x points on everything else. And if you don't want to come up with the annual fee of $550 for the Chase Sapphire Reserve, you can consider the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, which has a $95 annual fee. you can earn around 60,000 points after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. When booking travel, you'll get 25% more value out of your points. Plus, you can earn 5x points on Lyft rides along with travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards, and 3x points on eligible dining, select streaming services, as well as online grocery purchases, along with 2x points on travel and also 1x points per $1 on all other eligible purchases. You can even check out the comparison of the two Chase Sapphire cards if you're not sure which one is probably the best travel card for you. And each of them offers such an impressive sign-up bonus that either could get you to Europe for free using our strategy. So if you do sign up for a Chase Sapphire card, or if you already own one, be sure to move any points from many other Chase credit cards to your Sapphire credit card to get the most bang for your money. Transfer your points to an airline partner. Booking your flight through the Chase portal is simple, and it sometimes, however not always, gets you the best value for your flight redemption. To ensure you're getting the best deal, you should also look at how many points you would need to book the same flight on the airline directly. And if it costs fewer points to book it on the airline's website, you have the option to transfer your Chase Ultimate Rewards points to the partner at a 1-to-1 ratio. Moreover, if you have the Chase Sapphire Reserve, Chase Sapphire Preferred card, or even a Inc. Business Preferred credit card, then booking through the travel portal at a rate of around $1.25 to $1.50 per point will be a solid baseline redemption for travelers. But to really get maximum value, look to utilize Chase Transfer Partners to book the flights along with hotel rooms that otherwise would be outside of your means. Booking cheap economy flights is not everyone's favorite way to travel. However, if you're the type who wants to see the world, this amazing strategy will get you further from home or will allow you to travel more frequently. However, you need to remember that Chase Ultimate Rewards are flexible, which is not the only way to get value from your points. In any case, the Ultimate Rewards program makes sure to provide a wide range of options which help to maximize your points and save you money. You just have to decide which ways to use Chase points are the most worthwhile. Well guys, that is all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed today's episode and found it interesting, then make sure to leave us a big thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be always up to date with the most exciting content as soon as it's uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. See you again soon in another video.